Good afternoon, aspirants. I'm one of the representative of Dentodontics, and I'm here with another counseling update. As in the previous our YouTube short podcast videos, we updated that the counseling will be extended. So here the one of the after the revised cutoff marks. So after the revising cutoff marks came, so one of the state has extended their mop up, and they are allowing the eligible candidates, newly eligible candidates also to take part with fresh registration and all and everything that happens like in the mop up. So it's a short mop up for them, and which starts from 12th. We have posted the schedule on our official Twitter account handle also. Whole Rajasthan new extended mop up. You can follow our official Twitter handle. We have posted the link of our official Twitter handle in the comment box. You can follow that, and all the counseling updates will be also posted on Twitter from time to time after. And follow us on our official Twitter handle. Now what I said in the last my YouTube podcast, ki after revised cutoff marks, what's next. So here it is. Now the things are started to happen. Now All India will also will come up with extended mop up or extended stay or new counseling for the newly eligible candidates for the vacant deemed university seats. So this will happen, and we have posted the drafts, we have posted the letters to act fast for the All India also, as the revised cutoff marks has came day before yesterday, so later in the evening. So that the people who are waiting for it can be now again take part in that counseling and can take their desired MDS colleges. And rest of the states will also now start opening their registration and the counseling again, as the Rajasthan has done it. So we expect rest of the states will also do it. The notices will come. All the notices will be posted on our official Twitter handle and in our official Telegram group, which has 10,000 plus K registered dentist over there as a small dental fraternity family. We have given them a small roof. So we will be updating things, and we will also update the things on our YouTube channel also through short podcasts, YouTube video podcasts, so that you can understand what's going on. So for the Rajasthan, a small briefing, application form fees and the registration starts from 12th to 15th. So all the candidates can take part in it, and the eligible ones also. And because in the last they have written that candidates are advised to read the notification and given and very carefully, revised cutoff students are also eligible. Go through the schedule, you will understand it what I'm trying to say. Everything has been mentioned in that schedule, and the counseling will be offline for the Rajasthan, which is extended mop up. So go and have that schedule. Follow us on our Twitter handle also. There is also the schedule being posted, so you can check there also, or on the Rajasthan website also, counseling website. So here is the very short update, and we will come again with the all updates. Whatever new counseling notices if will come, we'll update on our YouTube channel again with a small podcast. And we have also posted we have also posted the schedule in our thumbnail of YouTube, so you can see the thumbnail. You can check there also all the details. And if you want the schedule, you can follow us on our Twitter handle. The link has been given in our comment box, and please share and subscribe this channel, so that all the upcoming updates you can get from time to time. And see what we said in our previous podcast, same is happening, because they have to, because many 50% of the seats are still remaining. Okay, so like Karnataka counseling is still going on. Haryana hasn't posted their schedule. Whenever they will post, we'll come with the update here. Okay, and if any doubt is been there, you can post your doubts in the comment box also. When we will get the time, we will reply. Don't worry, the reply will come. And hope you all get your desired colleges. Stay blessed, stay okay. We are here to fight for all, and hope every dear MDS aspirant gets their desired MDS colleges with their desired branches. And more further updates will all be updated through YouTube podcast, on our Telegram group, and our official Twitter handle also. So stay blessed and stay awake. Thank you.